Right, this is Dad Random. This is Dad Random e-bikes, and I am starting out my new channel, and I'm doing some camera testing, because to have an e-bike channel you have to basically have a way of recording your stuff. So we're getting lots of wind aided. There's a ton of wind involved in this shot here, so hopefully we can filter some of the wind out. But so far the e-bike experience has been really, really cool. And going up hills is amazing. You just pedal and go. Okay, we are recording with the Action 2 on. But so far so good. It is hot as the dickens out, and I can imagine that this is the worst time to do any kind of biking, because it feels like you're literally biking in a furnace. So lots of takes, and then of course we've got to test this audio out. So hopefully the audio turns out. That's what I'm hoping for right now. A big guy trying to stop a heavy bike. All right, so getting going with the e-bike is pretty easy. This thing is hauling a really big load. I'm not really using the throttle at all. I just keep it in high gear. All right, like I said, we're going into the wind. We've got a lot of wind here, but video looks great. I think the video is awesome coming out of this. All right, yes, I am overheating this little camera, so my takes are going to be short. Just checking out some camera footage right now. Just heading to stop. One of my biggest problems with cameras is going to be overheating. So I've got a couple of different mount choices I'm looking at. Pretty good for some things, but this one likes to twist, so you really can't get it tight. So I'm going to be looking for some ways to get that mount to be better. I also am trying the Action 2 chest mount, but once again I'm getting overheating. So gonna have to go to probably the old-fashioned, probably have to go to the GoPro version of cameras, or I might have to go to the original Osmo Action, which might be the best camera. I also am going to try using the Osmo Pocket. The Pocket has, you know, the gimbal stabilization. So, but I think in this case, I think I need to have rock steady. So, all right, and I just can't. You can't ride your bike in the middle of the afternoon either. All right, I'm going to keep going. Stopping in the shade here. Bike's doing great. Doing amazing bike. All right, we're back on the hardcore trail. Hopefully I don't lose a tire. This is why we ride right here. Check this freaking view out right here. All right, Dad ran day 2. This is the last ride of day 2, and so far so good, man. So a couple of the cool things that I'm noticing right away is you can go throttle or you can pedal in all 3 modes, which is way cool. And in mode 3, you just can haul butt. It's just great. There's some rabbits, a little bit of wildlife right there. And we're just going to chill on this ride right here. Dead random. Checking my mileage out from day 1. 29 miles. So day 1 I put 29 miles on it. Gosh, I'm just telling you, I've been everywhere today. That's why people own these things, because they just get further out. They can go further. They can do more things, and they can go more places. It's just cool. I think these things are around for a long time to come. All right, but day one is over, and what a glorious day it was. All right, I'm gonna put this video together, and hope you guys like it. Dad Random Adventure 1. I'm going to be leaving town for a while, so I won't be able to ride the old ONEBOT for a while, but when I get back, I'm going to be back on the horse. I'm going to be looking for random number 2. So where this one came, there's a ton more. Yes, Dad Random. Check out e-bikes with Dad Random. Come e-biking with Dad Random. Yeah. Come e-biking with Dad Random, and we're gonna have great adventures, great places to go. Hey Steve, I'm doing an unboxing, so be quiet. Oh boy. All right. So right, Steve? All right. So let's do it. Let's unbox it. So here we go. T6F by ONEBOT. And like I said, a great starter bike. I'd say a great starter bike. And let's get it open. All right. What do you think, Steve? Think it'd be fun? So let's look down in this new bike box, see what happens inside of it. And let's see what we got. Actually looks great. So here we go, Dad Random right here. And there it is right there. I decided to get a gray bike. So this is black and gray. That'd be kind of cool. This one did come with a gray helmet, and I actually tried it on. It actually fits pretty good. I've got another one coming, another cool one with some lights on it, a little bit more exciting. But let's get it out of the box, and let's get started. Let's try it out. I didn't know that this bike came with the rack. That's great. So this is supposed to come pretty much assembled, which it does. Let's see what we got here. We got a box in here. The box pretty much came intact. I'm really happy with that. I think this company has had enough comments that. So here's the helmet that came with. It's not bad. Great starter helmet. I'm about a large and it fits great. And there are parts that actually can come out, and there's an adjustment. So there you go, there's the bike helmet. That up here. So there it is. So what I've learned from watching you guys that have a little bit of experience, is that you should take your time putting it together, which I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip all these ties. I'm going to unfold it, get the battery charged, and then talk a little bit about it tomorrow. But it looks great. Even the tires have air. I mean, it's mags look good. I don't see, now this one's black and gray. I like that everything folds up. One of the things I thought was cool about this bike was that the pedals folded, the steering or the handlebars folded. The seat definitely is another version. It's much more comfortable. It's a wider seat. And it's got the luggage rack. I really did not know this one came with the rack. All right. So ONEBOT. All right, so this one is the ONEBOT T6F. And we'll talk a little bit about it tomorrow. We'll get it on the road and have some fun. Gosh, I've been busy. I've been busy with drone stuff, and now I'm going to get into some biking. Hope you guys enjoy this new channel. I'm going to combine my channels for a while, and then I'm going to start to separate out this material here. But right now it's going to, Dad and Rain, it's going to be part of my adventure. So hopefully you enjoy the new adventure. But really impressed. And I don't even have it unfolded yet. So, all right, be right back. Talk to you in the morning. Just like a kid, you know, opening up a toy for the first time. I couldn't wait. So, but, all right. I'm so stoked, guys. I have been waiting so long for another thing that would get me excited, and this has done it, I think. Right, Dad Random, here it is. ONEBOT, what do we call this thing again? T6F, yes.